Hi, and welcome to the Quick and Easy Meal channel. On this channel, we make good suggestions for quick and healthy meals that the average person can make. I hope you enjoy this channel. Let's get ready for today's quick and easy meal.
Hi, I'm Deanna, and today I am making a simple banana bread. The ingredients for this recipe are 3 or 4 ripe bananas, and today I'm just using 3. 1/3 cup melted butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Let's get started. First, you want to have your bananas mashed. Like I said, I used 3 bananas today. Next, we will add the melted butter. Looks a little like that. Makes it kind of creamy. Next goes in our sugar, and that is 1 cup of sugar. And this can easily be reduced to 3/4 cup if you're trying to watch your sugar intake. Mix in our sugar. This is like one of my favorite banana bread recipes. I make it a lot quick and simple and moist and gooey. Next goes in our egg, 1 egg beaten, and our vanilla, 1 teaspoon vanilla. And this is a no mixer recipe. That's one thing I like about this. You don't need a mixer. You mash everything in the bowl. All right, and next is real tricky. You want to sprinkle your baking soda and salt over the mixture like such. Give it evenly coated. Then your pinch of salt. All right, and you mix that together. And last goes in the flour. Now that, I do a little bit of flour at a time, kind of get it mixed in, then stir it, and then add more flour. That's how it looks. It's gonna start to get kind of thick, and you're gonna think that you put too much flour, but you didn't. And I should have worn an apron, because flour is going everywhere. And this gets baked, it takes about an hour. If you do like 1 muffin tin or loaf pan, it takes about an hour, or you can spread it off to 2 smaller ones. It'll take a little less per each one. Just a little flour. I'm gonna put in some more dishes to the side. It's mixed up real well. You want to butter or oil your loaf pan. Getting real gooey. You don't want to over mix it, because then it could be tough. All right, and that's what it looks like after it's all mixed in, nice and gooey. And you just take your oiled loaf pan. I'm using these little small metal ones today. Just gonna dump it in. Spread it out. I'll just spread it out in the bottom because it rises a lot. And that is it, guys. That's simple banana bread. I'm gonna bake this in the oven, 350 at 1 hour. And just check it, like every 15 minutes. And I'll be back with the finished product. Thank you for watching.